All right, so we are here on the Sawmill trailhead. It's about a 4-mile hike. See what we can see. Any cool things, anything interesting, anything exciting. So we got a little bit of snow here. This is from last weekend's storm. There's still quite a bit left. Down at this level, not too much. All right, so we had to backtrack a little bit. Apparently, we missed the trailhead. So, not too bad. Almost to the trailhead and we'll get started. All right, so here's the beginning of the trail. A little bit of snow. Feels good to finally be out. Keen to visit family here in Vegas. And they decided to come out and hike with me, which is pretty awesome. All right, now that we're on the right trail here, the nice pine forest here. Going up, so we're hitting more snow. Can't wait to see how much snow we get up to at the end of the trail. All right, so we're about, I would say, maybe the halfway mark, because you go up and now it's all downhill from here, I believe. All these pines, juniper. Sorry about the sun glaring. It's been quite a while since I've been able to get out. Feels good. Definitely gotta get back out more often. Get some good therapy in nature. All right. Got quite a bit of snow on this side. It's from last week. Still looks nice and fresh. All right, we're on the last leg of this hike. It looped around. We'll be back at the car in half a mile. So a little bit of uphill, but not too bad. All right, so we are here at the last stretch. We're going parallel with the highway. Just gotta go down here and we'll be back at the car. All right, guys, we are back. Made it to the parking lot. We actually took the wrong way. We're supposed to do the Pinion Loop to Sawmill, or Pinion to Sawmill Loop, but we extended it out quite a bit. It was supposed to be 2.4 miles. Ended up doing more of 5-6 miles. It's fun, awesome. Glad I got to get out. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you on the next adventure.